Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back in with another cryptocurrency video. As you can see here, I am in a trade on Phemex, which is our new partner and sponsor on the channel. Absolutely amazing exchange, especially for leverage contract crypto trading. And as you can see here, I'm on a trade using 10x leverage on Solana. Now, what's obviously amazing with this type of leverage is, here I caught an 18% move, but with the 10x leverage, I'm actually up a massive 188% on this trade, which is absolutely huge. And to be honest, this is probably going to go a little bit higher from here, but I'm ready to book these profits and make this video for you. I just want to show you the move I caught, basically, right? This was an amazing trade. So basically, as you can see, I had bought in at this level here a few days ago because I had seen it, pull back from here, and as you can see, I pretty much bought the low here, and I knew that Solana was doing very good right now, so my idea was $200 is a bit low for Solana. I had a feeling it was going to push new all-time highs, and as you can see, although we aren't right now at new all-time highs yet, we're back at the higher end of the channel, and not that far off from the all-time high at $260. So as you can see here, my kind of planned trade area was up to $280, which is a level that it's probably going to reach, but at this point, I think I am ready to book these profits. I could sell half here, and let the rest ride. That is another good option in case I want to, stretch this out a bit longer. But I am pretty happy with this, almost 200% gain here on this exact position. So right now live, we're going to close this position, and like I said, if you're interested in making these types of trades and trying out Phemex, which is, to be honest, has been one of my favorite crypto exchanges now of all time. Absolutely amazing platform. I'm not just saying that because I'm sponsored. They make everything so easy and fast to use. Their fees are very low, so you can get some of the cheapest trading in crypto around. And look at the amount of cryptos they have available for trading, right? Not only on spot, but also for contract leveraged margin trading. They have a bunch of cryptos as well that you can use. So, this makes it truly one of the best platforms, in my opinion, for crypto trading. And it is a very smooth, sleek, professional platform, which is always really nice to see. And, this trade right now is actually pushing higher as we speak here. So we did actually break out of this little top right here above this 236 level. So what's interesting with that is, since we are in breakout, we could see a little bit of a pullback, but this is really the type of trade where it isn't a bad idea to actually just close out half of the position and then to just let the rest of this ride. So bit of a moral dilemma, of course. It's always a matter of how much risk you want to take on, and you just want to book the profits when you're up nicely like this. And I think that's most likely what I'm going to be doing here. As we push a little bit higher, we're going to go ahead and book this trade live with this 192% profit. Let's go ahead and close the position here live, book the trade, make the profit, and call it a day. Here we are. So we sold the Solana position. Thank you so much for watching this video. I have a link to Phemex in the description of this video if you want to try making these types of trades yourself. You're interested in leverage trading. Of course, it's always safer to use a little bit less leverage. 10x is usually the max I like to go personally. But as you can see here, Solana is moving higher, which, I said at the beginning of the video, right, this is probably going to push higher here. But just wanted to book these profits live for you. Go ahead and give it a try. Link in the description of this video if you want to sign up and use Phemex. Absolutely no exchange. They don't even require KYC. So go ahead, check them out. Link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Have a great day.